Well, it's now clear that Ubanele is not going anywhere. What just happened on the recent episode of Itonga will shock you. So, I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Gadla. I know that every time when you hear that word, well, in fact, the viewers of Itonga will know and relate to this. When you hear the word Gadla or seeing this face on your screens, you get pissed immediately. This guy who is Steph, so what he did on the recent episode of the show will make you hate him even more. So what it did is that he showed Sanele recently while performing the ceremony of getting rid of Ubanele. And that is a little bit exciting. In fact, wait, let me give a brief context. So what happened is that Usanele decided that he wants to get rid of Ubanele because he noticed that things in his life are not going according to the way that he wants them to go. So he went to Isangoma Lesiana, I'm not sure. Yeah, so he went to that Sangoma and told him, I want to get rid of Ubanele because this is what I did when I was supposed to be performing the ceremony after Ubanele died. So Isangoma said, it's okay, mfana, ngizokugeza to be right. Not knowing what this was going to happen. And that is not the only problem that we are facing on the show. Usanele did all of this because he was planning on taking umadladla wakhe, Umbali. And befuna uthatha umbali wakhe ese-right zonke izinto zakhe, Ubanele ngasekho to disturb him and everything. So, again, like it happened with uMembers, umadladla is there, waiting for Usanele ukuthi afike bashade babe right yonke into ihambe kahle. And Usanele is there in the river trying to get rid of Ubanele. And while I was doing all of that, remember I'm saying that Umadlala is waiting on the other hand, Usanele on the other hand is cleansing on the river. And while I was doing all of that, a hand came, and obviously we all know that is Gadla's hand, even though they did not show his face, but we all know who Gadla loyazo came, shot Usanele on the chest. And this could mean only one thing. What they were trying to do, which is to get rid of Ubanele, was unsuccessful. Ngoba manje, if kuthi abephefumanga le nto leyana, Usanele is now going to have to go to the hospital, ahlale esibhedlela, which means that the ceremony that was supposed to perform in order to get rid of Ubanele failed. This is stressful, ladies and gentlemen. But then, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.